5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Minute Light to Sandwich, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazards include wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Spelwigan Bank, the coastal waters east of Boston Harbor, Cape Cod Bay, Minute Light, Nauset Light, Ocean Bluff, Grant Rock, Green Harbor, Barnstable Harbor, Garnet Point, Manamet Point, the east end of Cape Cod Canal, Breeze Point, Plymouth Light, Duxbury Pier Light, Situate Harbor, Wellfleet Harbor, and northeast.
Whoa.
Voters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts to nearly 50 knots.
Whoa.
Large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms.
Yes, they are.
Keep caught on the open water state below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The severe thunderstorm warning for Suffolk and north central Plymouth counties is canceled. The severe
Yeah, I missed one right before this one, and I'm very lucky I looked over. I was sitting over on my couch, watching that right there. The lightning has gotten more intense, and I just so happened to be looking over here, saw my screen go off. In fact, you know what? I'm gonna take that off display because it's gonna keep going off. And I have it on display because I'm in a hotel, but oh well.